Media personality Michy Berko, also known as Dada Boot, is the recent person to complain about the price hike in the country. Hello guys and welcome back to another video. This is boy PGH. Please consider subscribing if you are new here. Okay, let's move on to the story. According to Michy, so much money is spent on data and fuel but cannot sustain you for the estimated period. Adding that it seems Rapture has taken over ECG prepaid, fuel and data bundles. In a video published on Instagram, the popular actor who doubles as an ambassador for several brands in Ghana highlighted the plight of citizens. Nowadays, when you buy credit, it vanishes in the blink of an eye. Same as petrol, it just disappears. When you buy electricity, it doesn't last long. 100 Ghana cedis cannot last you for days. If you are not lucky, someone might just snatch your girlfriend. Why are we experiencing rapture? He quizzed. Not long ago, actress Nkansah raised a similar concern over the high cost of data and airtime. She noted that the cost of data was killing Ghanaians and businesses. Nikki, in a tweet dated February 17, disclosed that she was in search of a benevolent person who can provide her with unlimited data that will last for a lifetime. Please, someone should just dash me 1 billion data to last me my entire life in this country. Wi-Fi plus phone. I am tired. Data networks are killing us, she tweeted.